In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Otter AI from your Google Calendar. This can be really handy if you're finding that Otter is syncing more meetings than you need, or if you simply want to change which integrations you're currently using. So let's dive in and walk through how you can unlink these services with ease. First, you're going to want to start by heading over to the Otter Voice Meeting Notes webpage, which you can do by typing in otter.ai into your browser's address bar. Once you're on their homepage, log in if you haven't already. This step is crucial since everything we're going to do hinges on being in your account so that you can manage your settings. Now that you're on the Otter dashboard, look toward the upper right-hand corner where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Your account settings cover a range of features, allowing you to customize various preferences and integrations. Within the account settings, scroll through the menu until you find the option for apps and integrations. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated to managing and editing how Otter works with other apps. It's here that you'll find which applications Otter is currently connected with, including the integration with Google Calendar. On the Apps and Integrations page, you should see Google listed if it's connected. Beside this, you'll see a button labeled Disconnect. Click on this button to begin the process of unlinking Google Calendar from your Otter ecosystem. It might ask you for confirmation just to make sure this is what you want to do, so go ahead and confirm. By disconnecting Google, any automatic syncing or meeting importation involving your calendar and Otter will cease. This won't affect any of your past activities or transcripts already recorded in Otter. Those will remain intact for your reference as always. And there you go, you've successfully disabled Otter AI from syncing with your Google Calendar. This process allows you to take control of your digital workspace and ensures that only the integrations you find useful and necessary are in place. If at any point you want to reconnect or explore new integrations, you can easily do so by retracing your steps to the Apps and Integrations section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made things a little clearer for you. Be sure to let us know if there's anything else you'd like a walkthrough on in the comments below.